welcome to my channel. We're going to do a quick Aldi haul today and then cleaning and restocking the fridge. I always start with writing down a list of things I need to get from Aldi. And here we go. I went shopping a few days before Christmas and it was a little crazy. A lot of people walking around, but it wasn't terrible. I tried to just get what I needed to get and then, always add a few things to the cart that were not on the list. These ingredients, the chicken broth and the cream of chicken and the ranch seasoning, were for a crock pot dinner I wanted to try. I ended up not liking it. Let me know if you guys have any good crock pot recipes that you love for the winter time. Something easy to just throw in all at once. The seasonal aisle was pretty picked apart. I was kind of going in to see if they had any of the Christmas tree candles that were so popular, and they didn't have anything. They barely had anything Christmas left besides gift wrapping and some miscellaneous socks and pajama sets. Feel free to leave in the comments any favorites that you guys always grab from Aldi's. This cheeseburger patty and chicken melt patty is amazing. Whenever I see it, I grab it all the time. It's just a quick, easy dinner. This Aldi also just got self-checkouts, which makes life so much easier. I prefer to do it on my own and organize things on my own. Back at home, let's unpack everything. I love the Alfredo sauce for any of the chicken Alfredo dinners. This Parmesan cheese is a great topping for Caesar salads, or if I use it for the Alfredo, or even just simple green beans and broccoli and throw some on top. These mashed potatoes are the best, hands down. I always grab them. That corner up there was for the crock pot recipe with the ranch seasoning, cream of chicken, and chicken broth. I don't think I'm a fan of ranch seasoning. I don't know if it's because I bought the Aldi brand. Maybe it would taste better if it wasn't Aldi store brand and actual ranch seasoning. Let me know your thoughts. I just don't think I like ranch seasoning. These honey barbecue chicken wings are the best for game days. I usually get them a lot during football season just for like an easy chicken wings and pizza Sunday dinner. And here are the chicken melts and then the burger patties. Super easy, just throw them in the microwave for like a minute 30 and it's just this easy dinner or easy snack. And here is everything I got at Aldi's. I spent $125 about roughly. $125 for 47 items. This will probably last about 2 weeks. And now we start the clean out. I knew it was going to be a complete clean out, taking everything out and going through everything and seeing what was old and not going to get used. And I wanted to just wipe down the fridge and clean it out completely. And now we have a packed freezer of all of my husband's stuff that he likes to cook, and then the pink basket's all the meats, and then all of the vegetables. Here's a little before what the fridge looked like, and then we start cleaning. I feel like with the craziness of just a work schedule, you see these stains in the fridge and you're like, I'll get to it sometime. And then weeks go by, and then I was like, I can't handle this anymore. And I took a day off and I just cleaned the whole house and cleaned everything up and moved everything. And I'm always moving stuff. I like change, and I like to change things around and see what works best with the food that we have. Both of these baskets were from the Dollar Tree. video wraps up, I just want to say a huge thank you to all the subscribers who subscribed this year to me. This is my first year doing YouTube, and I'm so proud of myself to have gotten 425 subscribers in 1 year. I think that's amazing, and I always have goals. I'm always pushing to do more, and I can't wait to see what next year brings. More cleaning, more crafts, more anything DIY, and I hope you guys continue to support me and follow my journey on this YouTube career. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a happy holiday and a blessed new year, and I will see you guys in 2024.